Hello children, myself Mrs. Aarti. I welcome you all to the online classes children. We have completed our first sem children and I hope you all might have written the first sem exam. And from this now we are going to start the second sem children. Second sem of GK. GK means General Knowledge. I hope you all are having the semester 2 book children. This is the Sunshine Class 1 Semester 2 book children. Children, all of you take this book children, Sunshine Class 1 Semester 2 book, and take your pencil and eraser in your hand children, and open page number 202. See children, open page number 202 and take out your pencil and eraser in your hand children. Open page number 202. And in GK today we are going to discuss only two topics. First one is domestic animals and about insects. Now let us study first about domestic animals. Children, there are how many types of animals children? Domestic animals and wild animals. Now in this session we are going to study about domestic animals. Domestic animals. Animals that can be tamed by humans and kept at homes or farms are called domestic animals. Children, the animals which are tamed by, which are looked after by humans and they are kept at homes or farms, that animals are called domestic animals. And in domestic animals, we are going to discuss about camel, horse, donkey, cow, sheep and goat. About these 6 domestic animals we are going to study now. About camel, horse, donkey, cow, sheep and goat. They have given here children, match the following pictures of domestic animals with their names. Children, you should see the picture and you should match to their names. You should see the picture, what picture it is, and you should match with their names. One column is of picture and one column is of names. I hope you will do with me children. Take a pencil in your hand children. All of you take a pencil in your hand. First you see the picture children. One number is what? One picture is what children? What it is? Yes, it's a picture of donkey. So search here, where is the donkey? First is camel, horse, C is donkey. So first is to C, put a mark children, donkey. Second picture is what children? Second picture is, yes, it's a camel. So search here, where is camel? Yes, camel is A. So second to A. Second to A. Now next picture is what children? Third picture is what? Yes, third picture is a picture of goat. Here you search here children, it's a picture of goat. Now you see here, where is goat written here? First is camel over already, horse no, donkey over, cow, sheep, this is goat. So what I should do? Put a mark here for join to goat. Third to F. Fourth picture is what children? Fourth is what? Yes, it's a horse. So horse is B. So put a join a line from fourth to B. Fourth to B. Next is what children? Next it's a picture of what? It's a picture of cow. So where is the cow here? Yes, it's a T. Join 5 to T. 5 to T. Next is sixth. Sixth is what children? It's a picture of, yes, it's a picture of sheep. Join 6 to E. 6 to E. So children, we have joined all 6 animals pictures with their respective names. See, donkey, camel, sheep, goat, horse, cow and sheep. We have joined the respective pictures with their names. I hope you all have done with me these children. Yes. Next is what children? Next topic is what? Next topic is about Insects. Next topic is what about children? Insects. Insects means what children? Have you all seen insects? Yes. Insects are nothing but animals that have 6 legs, antenna and a pair of wings are called insects. They live everywhere. Yes children, everywhere the insects are there. In homes, gardens and in open and closed places. Insects means what children? Animals that have 6 legs such as antenna and a pair of wings are called insects. They live everywhere children. In your house also you will see insects, and outside in gardens everywhere you will see the insects. And in insects we are studying today about grasshopper, red beetle, wasp, ant, cockroach, honeybee, mosquito, housefly, dragonfly, butterfly. But all these time we are going to study in this topic insects. Now children, what they have given? Circle the insects using the help box given below. What you should do children? You should circle the picture. See, circle the insects, use the given help box. See children, you should read the name here and you should try to circle that insects. First is grasshopper, red beetle, wasp, ant, cockroach, honeybee, mosquito, housefly, dragonfly and butterfly. First is what children? First picture, first what they have given? First is grasshopper. So, now search here children, where is grasshopper? First, no, second, third, fourth. Yes, grasshopper is fourth picture. So, you should circle like this children. Circle to grasshopper. Next is what? Next is red beetle. So, search here children, this is no. This is red beetle. So, you should circle it children. This is a red beetle. Next is wasp. Now check here children, this is ant. Where is wasp here? Yes, it's a insect called what children? This is a wasp. This is a wasp. So you should circle to wasp like this. This is a wasp. Next is what children? Next is ant. Ant is where here children? Ant is first. This is a picture of ant. So, you should circle to ant. This is a picture of ant. Next is what children? Next is cockroach. Next is cockroach. Now, search here children. What is this? This is a bat. This is rat. This is red beetle. Grasshopper. Now, where is cockroach? Yes, this is a cockroach. So, you should circle it like this. This is a cockroach. Circle it. Next is what? Honeybee. Yes, where is honeybee children already? This over. This is called honeybee. So, you should circle to honeybee. Next is what children? Mosquito. See, already ant over, bat, rat, red beetle, grasshopper. This is cockroach, honeybee. Where is this not over children? This is a dragonfly. This over wasp. Now this is housefly and this is called mosquito, and we have to tick for mosquito is here. So circle it. Mosquito. Next is dragonfly. I already told children, this fly is called dragonfly. So circle for dragonfly. Next is what children? Next is butterfly. Sorry, I have left housefly children. Housefly is, where is housefly? Housefly is here children. So, put a circle for housefly. Next is dragonfly, already we have done. Next, last is butterfly. Put a circle for butterfly. So, we have completed. What are the left out children? Left is, this is bat, rat, snake, spider and crocodile are left. See children, these are not insects. So, we have ticked for ant, insect, this is about red beetle, grasshopper and cockroach, honeybee, butterfly, dragonfly, wasp, housefly, and this is what, children? This is about the mosquito. These all insects we have made a circle. What they have given in the box, we have all made a circle. These all 10 are the insects, children, because they are having here 6. Some are having 6 legs, children, that are called insects, and these insects are living in your homes. Some of them are living in homes and some of them are living in garden and outside their home also. See, children, this is about the insects we have discussed. We have put a circle for the insects name which they have given. So far we have discussed 2 topics, children, GK in GK, domestic animals and insects. I hope you all might have understood these 2 topics. If you want, you can go through it once again, children. You should be able to recognize the picture and you should be able to put a join to that name, as well as you should know the insects also, children. You should recognize the insect pictures and their names. I hope you all might have understood this session. In the next session, I will discuss the